Alrighty, so for this week's assignment, we're going to be using SPLODER, which is this video game which you guys are going to go ahead and generate on your own in your groups here in about a week. So basically you're going to illustrate what happens in your narrative. So for mine, I'm illustrating basically the triumphs and the victories versus the failures of my character. So I've created individual lives. There's going to be a few obstacles, like there's these bats and there's a few things later on. There's also armor that can help them get through. And all of these things are very symbolic of basically the triumphs and the things that are going to aid this character to be able to be successful. So after you've gone through and you've created it, you can make your own backgrounds, you can make your own hills and valleys, and you can add your own lives, and you can add different things that are basically going to show what your obstacles are in your life. So then you're going to go into game mode and you can click to play, and so that's when you have control of your little guy. And so you're going to go up if you need to, and you can use your sword by pressing your spacebar, and basically the mission is just to defeat your obstacles. So after you handle that, you get to do the level up, and when you get to level up, you get to go to the next level. Oops, let me finish. Okay, so level completed. Did you see that? So then we're going to go to level 2, and the mission is still to destroy all enemies. So this level looks a little bit different because I wanted it to look a little different. I used some different obstacles, and I used some different, some different setups just to kind of show you guys what you can and can't do. But SPLODER is really exciting in the ways that we can integrate it into our classroom. So now that our mission is accomplished, I'm going to go ahead and publish this into your classroom. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. I know SPLODER can be a little bit difficult to use at times. So if you guys have anything, just let me know and I'll be happy to assist.